Good morning, folks, and welcome to Minerals, Rocks, and Fossil Talks. I'm your paleontology teacher, Jen, and today we are talking about sauropod eggs for Throwback Thursday. So one of the things that captures the imagination of many folks are baby dinosaurs. For a very long time, we knew next to nothing about dinosaur growth. And part of that is that people didn't even think that dinosaur babies could be preserved. It just didn't seem possible. But that's a story for a different time. So it was a burning question. How did these terrible giants start out life? In particular, how do sauropods start out life? And if you're around the same age as me, you probably watched The Land Before Time and remember this opening scene where Littlefoot hatched. It's pretty close to accurate. The egg's the wrong shape, but that's, again, a whole other can of worms we can talk about later. But in 1859, Roman Catholic priest Father Jean-Jacques Puech found the answer while exploring the geology of the foothills of the Pyrenees Mountains. And here's what he had to say about his find. The most remarkable are eggshell fragments of very great dimensions. At first I thought that they could be integumentary plate of reptiles, but their constant thickness between two perfect parallel surfaces, their fibrous structure normal to the surfaces, and especially their regular curvature, definitely suggests that they are enormous eggshells, at least 4 times the volume of ostrich eggs. I mean, talking about a really cool find. However, when he brought this to the attention of others, they did not agree with him. Again, dinosaurs were a fairly new term at the time, and they didn't believe the baby dinosaurs preserved, and so he actually spent the rest of his life believing that they were armadillo shell fragments, which is disappointing, I'm sure. I promise, I'm not good with numbers, but I can, in fact, tell the difference between an 18 and a 19. In 1989, those fragments were revisited, and it was determined that they were in fact dinosaur eggshell. So these are sauropod eggs. The eggshell that he found probably came from something very similar to these. So sauropod eggs are very round, kind of beach ball-esque, very large, talking like bowling ball. So he was right. He had dinosaur eggs, and he should feel very vindicated right now. But we can go into more detail about eggs in later posts. This was just a fun little blurb before I go out to the field. Tune in tomorrow for a look at Mamenchosaurus, which is the sauropod with the longest neck. And I will fossilize you later.